So this was about the two major tools which are used for social media management. Now moving on to the next part of the session, let's take a look at the different tips that I'm going to be giving you related to social media marketing. A few tips from my end to help you out with social media marketing, guys. So the first thing you should do is identify your market goals. Set a proper goal and try to work towards it and create unique and specific strategy for each social media platforms. If you're working on Facebook, you need to have a different strategy. If you're working on Instagram, you need to be very unique and different. Always be consistent, guys, and always choose the right platform, that is the right social media platform for promotion. See, you need to know how to analyze your website, guys. Once you know that you're getting traffic from one of the marketing channels, you should focus on that. And if you're not getting more traffic from one of the channels, you should try focusing on a different channel and try to,